still coming? Are you still with the group as well?
Zijn Nederland.
Oh, ja, komt u Engels? Ga ik luisteren? Doen luisteren? Mag u? Ja? Oké. Ja hoor. Okay, my name is Leo, everybody, welcome.
Hi Leo.
Wooden shoes were used in the 12th century. So they made them of poplar wood, which is a light wood, as well, strong, waterproof, yeah, and safe, okay? No problem. Now, to make them was, yes, a problem. Look, the old-fashioned way, yeah, you had to scrape off the outside, right? Very difficult. Huh? Or with a spoon, the inside, very difficult. Can only make 2 pair one day. Later come the machine, 200 pair one day. Okay?
Promise?
It's a little bit loud. Yeah?
Yeah.
Me, the boss, I have this. But because I'm the boss.
Yeah.
You have the fingers. Okay.
Okay, no problem.
Moet een beetje vertalen, toch? Okay. Yeah, so looky looky.